Sometimes the shoes that got you here may not be the shoes that carry you into what's next. Not because you failed, because you're growing. And maybe you've spent years showing up for your work, your family, your responsibilities, or everyone else's needs. Maybe success once meant proving yourself, keeping everything together, or doing what was expected. But now something in you may be asking a more honest question. What do I want this next chapter to feel like? What's still supporting me? What's quietly draining me? And what needs to shift so my life becomes easier to live, not just easier to manage? That's where Future Vision is different. Many programs begin by helping you to set a goal. Now, Future Vision does that, but it goes well beyond. It helps you to understand the person behind the goal, what supports you, what drains you, what pulls you off center, and what needs to shift so your next chapter becomes easier to live, not just easier to imagine. Think of your goals like apps on your phone or your computer. Your career plans, health routines, communication tools, and productivity habits all matter, but the operating system underneath, if it's overloaded, outdated, or still running old stress, beliefs, fears, definitions of success, those apps may crash, especially when you need them most. Future Vision helps update that inner operating system through three practical areas: direction, mindset, and environment. Direction clarifies what you're moving toward. Mindset helps you to notice patterns, pause, reset, and respond with more freedom. Environment helps you to shape the people, routines, and spaces and cues that support the life that you're building. This is not just positive thinking. Future Vision turns hope into practice through a repeatable process by pausing, updating, limiting beliefs, focus daily, create environments that support lasting change. And that's why it's not a weekend burst of motivation. Instead, it's a guided community process with live sessions, action steps, reflection, accountability, and practical tools you use in real situations when new opportunities appear, when pressure hits, when doubt shows up, or when an old story tries to pull you backward. And people notice a difference. Participants describe cutting through the noise, clarifying their why, becoming more productive and balanced, and staying clear under pressure. And that matters now. AI is changing work, families are changing, retirement's changing, attention is fractured, people are connected online, yet often feel quietly alone. Many adults are carrying more uncertainty than they want to admit. Most people are not short on information. They're short on clarity, focus, self-trust, and a trustworthy way to move forward. Future Vision is for people who want their next chapter to be intentional, not accidental, not because something is wrong with you, because something real in you may be ready to grow. Future Vision helps you to reconnect with your own wisdom, trust your own voice again, and move forward without losing yourself in the process. And to be clear, Future Vision is not passive. It asks you to pay attention, reflect honestly without judging yourself, and practice new responses before fully trusting them. Not perfectly, consistently. Because lasting change is not built by hype or excitement alone. It's built by practice. It's built by the quiet courage to keep choosing who you're becoming. Well, the shoes that got you here deserve respect for sure. They carried you through important chapters. But your next chapter may require a better fit, more clarity, more resilience, more self-trust, and a practical way to keep moving when life gets real. I'm Daron Powers. And if you're ready to step forward into what's next without losing yourself in the process, I invite you to explore the Future Vision Forum.